Somatotyping. UGC Net Anthropology. Unit 4. Part 8. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Concept of somatotyping. Somatotyping is a system of classifying human physique based on body composition and structure. It aims to identify patterns in muscle, fat, and skeletal development, dividing people into 3 primary body types. Endomorph, higher fat accumulation, soft and round body. Mesomorph, muscular, strong build, well-developed limbs. Ectomorph, slim, linear physique, less fat and muscle. Note, most people are a combination of all 3 types in varying degrees, expressed as a 3-number rating, e.g. for 3-2, endomesoecto. Development of somatotyping. 1. Ernst Kretschmer, 1920s, psychiatric typology. German psychiatrist. Linked body types to personality and mental illness. Types. Asthenic, ectomorph, thin, introverted linked to schizophrenia. Athletic, mesomorph, muscular, energetic. Picnic, endomorph, round, sociable linked to manic-depressive, bipolar disorders. Dysplastic, mixed/irregular types. Criticism, oversimplified, lacked scientific rigor, not universally applicable. 2. William H. Sheldon, 1940s, modern somatotyping originator. American psychologist and physician. Developed constitutional psychology-linked body types to temperament. Coined the terms endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph. Created Sheldon's somatotype rating scale, 1 to 7, for each component. Associated temperament traits. Endomorphic viscerotonia, comfort-seeking, sociable. Mesomorphic somatotonia, assertive, active. Ectomorphic cerebrotonia, introverted, thoughtful. Strengths. Introduced a standardized way of rating physique. Limitations. Subjective photographic analysis, linking physique to personality considered unscientific today. 3. P.H. Parnell, 1958, simplified anthropometric somatotyping. Modified Sheldon's method using anthropometric, measurement-based techniques. Easier and more objective than Sheldon's photographic method. Focused on skin folds, bone breadths, limb girths. Helped make somatotyping more applicable in physical education and sports science. 4. Heath-Carter Method, 1967, most widely accepted method today. Developed by Barbara Heath and Lindsay Carter. Combined Sheldon's conceptual base with Parnell's anthropometric techniques. Measures: height, weight, skin fold thickness, bone diameters, limb girths. Provides accurate 3-digit somatotype rating. Used in sports training, health assessment, and research. Advantages: objective, reproducible, applicable in large-scale studies, used in Olympic and elite athlete profiling. Applications of somatotyping. 1. Sports and athletics. Helps in identifying suitable body types for specific sports. Endomorphs, sumo wrestling, shot put. Mesomorphs, sprinting, boxing, gymnastics. Ectomorphs, long-distance running, high jump. Used for talent identification and training optimization. 2. Health and fitness. Assists in designing personalized exercise programs. Helps monitor body composition changes over time. Useful in obesity and metabolic disorder assessments. 3. Growth and development studies. Used to assess developmental trends in children and adolescents. Track pubertal growth patterns and nutritional status. 4. Psychological research, historical use. Early research, e.g. Sheldon, explored connections between body types and behavior, though largely discredited now. 5. Military and occupational suitability. Helps in job-specific selection, e.g. firefighters, soldiers, pilots. Limitations of somatotyping. Not absolute. Most people are a mix of types. Environmental factors, diet, training can change somatotype. Subjectivity in earlier methods, Sheldon. Modern view, more useful as a descriptive tool than predictive. Summary. Researcher contribution method. Kretschmer body type, left-right arrow, mental disorders, visual observation. Sheldon endo, meso, ecto, left-right arrow, personality photo plus score, 1 to 7. Parnell anthropometric adaptation measurements. Heath-Carter modern method standardized, objective, widely used. Thank you for watching.